Hello guys, and welcome to another AI accredited video. Today we continue on our quest to find the best AI tools to make our lives easier. In today's video, we'll be exploring NapkinAI. This tool will allow you to quickly transfer any idea into a diagram for better visualization and understanding. This simple tool can transform in seconds any text into visually compelling diagrams that you can customize at your liking. Everything starts by pasting your text directly into Napkin. You can copy and paste text from a Word or Google Sheets, document, presentation, Notion notes, PowerPoint, or just type a prompt regarding the subject or idea you want to turn into a diagram. Once you have your blocks of text, whether pasted or generated, just click the blue bolt button to turn that paragraph or text block into a diagram. Then polish it up by adding or removing elements, changing color themes, adding decorators, connectors, and more. Then you're ready for export, downloading, or sharing your napkins with the world. With this, you can make presentations, blog post diagrams, enrich your documents or papers, share on social media, or whatever comes to your mind. Napkin has a free plan for you to test it, can be used in mobile, but is best to use it on desktop, and has a lot of customization options that you can use to your advantage and turn your ideas into graphics really fast. For now, Napkin has 3-tier plans, one free, the Pro plan that's also free while they are in beta state, so hurry up and try all of its functionality, and a coming soon Enterprise plan. So since the Pro plan is free for now, let's go for it. Click the Get Started button and sign in with your Google account or email. Once inside, you'll see the Create My First Napkin button. Next, you'll be asked how you want to add text by pasting it or generating the text using AI. Let's select AI. The next step is to craft your prompt, and for our example, let's create text about how to grow a YouTube channel. In less than 30 seconds, you'll be able to see all the generated text explaining how to grow an audience on YouTube. You'll see a series of titles followed by blocks of text. These blocks of text are the ones to be converted into diagrams. Just hover over the text block and click the blue button to the left. Instantly, you'll see the text become a diagram. On the left side of the diagram, you can see the different diagrams you can use. Click one of them to instantly change the diagram. The text and content will automatically adapt to the diagram, extending or reducing the amount of text to the diagram. Once you select the diagram you want, you can adjust the elements inside like the text, color scheme, titles, decorators, and more. Repeat the same with all of the text blocks you want to turn into diagrams and do the same adjustments. Once you're done with the adjustments, go to the Export section and select your desired format, color mode, background, and resolution. With these steps completed and you artwork expert, you can now include it in any document you want. And that's it for today, friends. See you in the next video with the best AI tools around.